Oh, bhai sahab. It's so delicious, okay? That entire series is so delicious. Why am I crying, bro? He is so cute. He's so freaking cute. Like, hello, cuties. This is Muskan, aka Call Me a Reader. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This time, I have got some recommendations which I think that you people can complete in a day. And the problem that instigated this video is ki recently I've got a message from a follower, and she was asking me that she's going for a travel kind of thing, and she wanted to complete her book within a day, which is like fair enough, because if you're not able to complete that book in a day while you're traveling, your mind will still get nagged by that book. Ki bhai, I have to complete it. What is going to happen in that book? All of that. So I thought, let's just make a video out of it. So this is again very beginner friendly kind of books, and these are very short and very easy peasy books to read. Like, you can easily munch them anytime, okay? And I think that you will be able to complete them in a day. Also, these are of different genres, so you can have a very good list, okay? I am telling you, you can have a very good list because I have a very good collection of books, okay? I know this thing. I am very much assured about that thing when it comes to my books. I have a very good taste. So the first book in this list is That Kind of Guy by Stephanie Archer. If you know me, okay, if you know me, if you really know me, then you know that I love Stephanie Archer, okay? I like worship her writings, okay? That's like that for me, okay? And I have recently completed Vancouver series by her. Oh, bhai sahab. It's so delicious, okay? That entire series is so delicious, okay? And then I was like, bro, I want to read another book of her, okay? So I told my best friend, because I was not able to find, okay? And she's like really resourceful, okay? So I told her ki I want to read this particular book, can you please get it for me? And she did, okay? And she did. So I just completed this book, okay? I like recently completed this book, and it was so good, okay? It is the part of a series, but I think it's the first part. And anyways, Stephanie Archer's books has this thing that even if they are the part of any series, you can anyways read them as a standalone. So you can definitely go ahead with this. It's a very short book, not that long enough, and it is enemies to lover kind of trope. And the guy, he is so cute. He's so freaking cute. Like, he's so cute, okay? Stephanie Archer, please come to India. Please, just one time, please come to India. I'll fly anywhere you're coming, okay? But anyways, so this is the first book that I really think that you can complete it in a day. And because it's a romance, you won't be able to resist reading it. Second book here we have is Everything by Nicole Yoon. I have read a first book by her, that is The Sun Is Also Star. I really like those love stories which are unique, which are also somewhat clean. I like to read thoda sa clean book after a period of time, because it act as, what do you call it, like a palate cleanser kind of thing, okay? So when you're reading a lot of spicy books, after some time, you like to read maybe a thriller or maybe a sad book or maybe a love story which is not spicy, okay? So if you're looking for something which is not spicy, and if you're like, you know, traveling or going anywhere, or just want to read a book in a single day while your parents are around you, so you know, you can just get it on hand. And it might seem thoda sa thick book, but this book literally have so many short chapters. Like, this is the chapter and that's how it is finished, like just one page, and then there is this art kind of thing on the next page. So it's very short, okay? Like, majorly all the chapters are of one page only. And this is a love story between a girl and the guy. Like, it's a neighborhood love story. And the girl is living in a bubble because she has some disease or some kind of that thing. And she is not able to go outside, because the moment she'll go outside, she would die. Okay, and that's how the love story gets starts. And it is a really good love story. I think that it should be read. It deserves to be read because it's really cute little pyari si kind of romance book, and it's very clean, if that's what you're wondering. I think that you will be able to complete it in a day because very short. As I said, that all the chapters are just of one page. Next book that we have is Want to Know a Secret by Frida MC Fedden, and I'm a huge fan of her writing. Though recently I'm not liking a lot of her works, but yes, definitely recommend this book. It's a very small town, low key kind of thriller, which is very new because I've never read any such book yet. I think Beautiful Ugly was that. Yeah. But it's off an island. Anyways, I'll leave it. Yeah. So this is a book that I think that you can complete in a day. It's very short, okay? And because it's a thriller, then some what I think that thrillers are really good to, munch whenever you want to read something really quick. And because they're gonna just really get you hook on it. So I think that you can definitely give it a try. And also, just for a disclaimer, there's nothing gross in there. There is nothing sexual kind of in it, okay? And everything is very clean until it is not. I remember that when I completed this book, I was such in a awestruck because I thought that these characters are playing with my mind, and then I realized that, oh, these characters are playing themselves. Itself, they're like some other world. They're playing by themselves. It's something different is happening in this entire. Like, we had huge discussions personally. Okay, I had huge discussions with different followers altogether about the ending of this book. It was so confusing. It was ऐसा कि भाई ठीक है, like it makes sense in my head, but it didn't make sense when I say it out loud. Okay, so it's like that. ठीक है, मतलब मेरे को समझ में आ रहा है, somewhere I know what it is, but then when I'm talking to you, it doesn't make sense. It's something like that. So it's very thrilling, it's very confusing, it's very exciting, and it's very short also. So you can definitely complete it in a day. Next book here we have is The Boy in the Stripped Pajamas, and I genuinely think that you will be able to read it in a day, even half a day, okay? Because it's a very short book, and I do not have it right now, but I do have it at my parents' place. I read it probably the last year, and it is definitely one of the best books that I've read so far. It is so innocent, like it is entire thing is how to say that. Huh? The entire plot is described during the Hitler's time, and this is a story of two innocent boys who are very, very little, okay? And one is at the side of Hitler, okay? And one is at the side where the Hitler is tormenting the people, okay? And how the story unfolds itself, it is so cruel, it is so brutal, it is so innocent, like your heart will break. And I can bet you on this, okay? It's there's also a movie based on it. So if you guys want to see the movie first, then you can definitely go ahead with it. But I would definitely recommend you to first read the book, because it's an incredible book, and it's in a very easy language because it's been written from the perspective of that little guy, okay? And who is around 5 or 7 years old. I cannot remember it correctly, but he's very little. So it's very easy. You can really complete it like that. And I think that it genuinely, you should read it. Next here we have The Vegetarian by Hen King, and I think it got really very popular. It's also a very short story, and I read that. I think this is the book. I read this book from backwards. I know it's stupid. What do you expect from me? I am also a child. Please don't expect maturity from me. Don't. Okay, so anyways, I read this book backwards, which doesn't make a lot of sense, but I still think that if I would read it from the front page, I would have liked it, because you get to know about the plot, you get to know about the characters, you get to know about the writer, so you kind of get ki, haan, I will like this book. So I think that you should definitely try this book, and it's very easy peasy to read. It's like very short story, and the plot is about how when a woman said that she wants to go properly and purely vegetarian, how her family and how her husband reacted to it. I think it's a very strange yet unique concept, which I think that you will like. Next book is Almond, and I know that it is pretty much popular book, and that's why a lot of people kind of refrain themselves from reading that book because it's getting a lot of fame. But I genuinely think that you should read it. I read it 2 years ago, and I still cannot not think about it because it's really good, and it kind of break my heart because it's so innocent, it's so cute. Why am I crying, bro? Shit. Okay, I don't want to cry, but you get it, okay? See, the plot is about a chotu sa guy who cannot feel any emotions, and that's a medical problem. Okay. Now, until इस टाइम तक his mother was there to tell him कि ऐसे करना है, ऐसे करना है. If someone is complimenting you, that's how you have to smile. If someone is giving you consolidance, that's how you have to be sad. She was telling him everything. But one day she also died. And the story is so cruel and innocent, that how he is going to navigate through the entire life without him having anyone to tell him how to be. It's very complicated, yet it's also very easy. I genuinely love that book. I think that you should definitely give this book a try. Next book here we have is The X by Frida MC Fitton, and I have recently read it, and I cannot emphasize more on this, that this is one of the best books by MC, okay? And you know that I love all of her books. And now me saying that this one is definitely one of the best books of her do mean something. Okay, do mean something. And I think that this book is really creepy, and like it really creeped me out, because I don't know how should I say it out loud without giving you a spoiler. Okay, I'm not gonna say anything at this point, but just believe me, you would not be able to predict. Okay, it is so creepy. It is so weird. Okay, it feels as if someone has actually crawled from the deathbed. Okay, it actually feels like that. So I think that you should definitely give it a try. It's a very short book and definitely complete in a day. And I think generally thrillers are really good and you can really complete them in a day or two. So this is really a good book, and I urge you, I force you people to read it because it's really good. Okay, like I was so amazed. Okay, I was like, bro, how did I not think about it? How did I not? And I was like, bro, ये नहीं सोचा था मैंने, ये डेफिनेटली नहीं सोचा था. और फिर मैंने I went back to all the chapters and I started thinking कि okay, this happened because of this reason, and then this happened because of this reason. Now it started making sense. It's like a loop. Okay, this book will make you like push you in a loop kind of thing. Next three books are by my favorite author, and she's Sudha Murthy, and I've literally recommended these three books everywhere. Okay, like every freaking where. Okay, and I think that these books deserve to be read. Okay, and these are very short in very easy language, and I don't know why people think that Sudha Murthy just writes children book. No, she does not. She also writes adult books. Okay, she was writing about feminism when I think that feminism was not even a very popular concept, and these books are so warm. These books are like, when I read these books, I actually understand why I started reading in a first place. This is what I pay my bills for. Like, this is why I started reading. These are those kind of books, and I genuinely think that you will love them. You should read them, and they are very easy to munch. Okay, they are not even complicated. It's very easy to read them. So the first book is House of Cards, then is Mahashweta, and Gently Falls the Bakula. These are amazing books, and I think that you should definitely read them. Next book here we have is The Together Tea by Marjan Kamali, and I have already read two of her very popular books, that is The Stationery Shop of Tehran and The Lion Woman of Tehran. Okay, and this is actually the debut book of her, and I read it in the very last. Okay, so but when I read it, I just don't know, but I feel that whenever she's gonna write anything after this book, I'm going to definitely read it. Like, she has been my comfort author now, and with this book, it's a very strange thing, I'll tell you. I love this book of hers, like genuinely love. It's a very short book, definitely can read anytime that you want. But I felt as if this book was slapping me every page, like on every page. Yeah, and the story is about mother and daughter who kind of left their place and then they went to America, but then they want to come back again, and it's a very wholesome book. I felt ki, you kind of take your mother for granted at many times, and then a lot of times you kind of later on realized ki, bro, we were wrong. We were really wrong. And I would not admit it out loud to my own mother because I don't know, that's kind of weird, and I'm not very vocal when it comes to my mother and love and affection that I have for her, but it's like a love and hate relationship with her, and I kind of found me and her in this book, and I think that every girl should definitely read it because it's a very wholesome kind of book and you will definitely love it. Okay? If you have already read two of her books and you did like them, then there's no doubt that you should definitely go ahead with this book because it actually is really good, and I've not read this kind of book since quite a long time. The last book that I read about, like, in a very same genre was Evil Eye. Bhai sahab, that book is also good, but you cannot read it in a day anyways. But I think that this can be read in a single day and you will definitely like it. Last book in this video is The Forgotten Daughter, a novel by Renita D. Silva. And this is my first book by this particular author. It's not a paid promotion or any kind of thing, but I have recently read it and I just chose this book because of its cover page. It's The Forgotten Daughter and it says you were adopted, okay? And I just chose this book just because of its cover page, okay? And I love sad books. There's no denying in it, okay? People have seen me talking a lot about the sad books. I love sad books, but I specifically love those sad books which are very thrilling also, okay? Which will make you on the edge till the very end, okay? And it's a very unique and difficult to find kind of genre because sad books are either sad and thrillers are usually thrilling. But this book was so exciting, it was so thrilling, yet it was so sad and also kind of wholesome, okay? So this is the story of a girl who who later found out that she was adopted and her roots were in India, and how she navigated through her entire journey to find her own parents, her own roots and everything. It's incredible. And you will definitely not be able to predict what is going to happen and how this girl was adopted, okay? You would not be able to predict anything. And this is, the entire book is in three perspective, okay? Like 3 POVs are happening, which is I think my first book like this. I've never read any 3 POV kind of book. I've already read 2 POVs where, like, usually in romance or also in thrillers, but this is my first book which I've read in 3 POVs, okay? Like daughter and mother, and I'm not going to tell you the third POV because it would make give you a spoiler kind of thing, so I'm not going to do that. But it is definitely a good book, short story, you can definitely complete it in a day. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys read them, and please do let me know if you do read them and how did you find these books. I genuinely had a lot of fun, crying, giggling, being thrilled while reading these books, and I think that you will also be feeling all these emotions. And do let me know if you do complete these books, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.